cat?
That's really a cat. That's a Siberian tiger. And they are a type of a cat. You see him?
Cats.
You hear him?
Hey, Dad. Cats.
Oh, listen. Oh. What is...
Oh.
Here, wait. Whoa, that's a...
That's a kitty cat.
Why is it doing... Why was it making that noise?
Hey, cat.
Why do you do anything? Please don't yell, Lucas.
Oh.
Why do cats, you've heard cats do it, right?
Yeah.
Like they all meow. Let's see if I can get a better angle at the tiger. There's some white tigers on the right. I forget what they are then. This is largest cat, weighing up to 700 pounds, can consume up to 70 pounds of meat in one meal. Look, guys, look out this window over here.
What?
Look
White
at him.
Bengal tiger.
Thank you, that's right. Look at him. Look at this guy.
Oh my. Dad, all the dangerous wild ones stay behind the cage.
Yeah, they have to be in special
Can
cage.
I see?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Look at him. Is that a kitty cat or what?
Because they might kill us or hurt us.
Hey, Lexi, what does the kitty cat say?
But right? Right, Dad?
Yes,
Meow.
Mommy, you're bugging me.
He's about to take a crap for himself. Yep.
How do they, and what makes them scared?
There's not really a whole lot that these guys can be scared of. There you go. All on
That's
YouTube.
just gross.
How often do you get to see a Siberian tiger take a crap? And I got it on video.
Did it poop?
Yes.
Yeah, it pooped. Everything's pooping.
I see a
Is
pile.
that a big animal or what?
I see a pile of poop. Can we go now?
You want to go inside that cage, Luke?
Yes.
You want me to put you inside there so we can eat you for dinner?
No.
Oh, you sure?
Yes.
Say bye, tiger.
Bye, Tiger.
That's right. I forgot the Bengals were the white ones.